Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi to my lovely lecturer and my friends. Today, I and my group members will present about my project in subject Electrical Principle 2. My group consists 4 members, which is Muhammad Shahir, Muhammad Izzat Zafri, Ahmad Irfan and myself, Muhammad Halimi Zuhdi. Okay, so I will go to introduction of my project. For introduction, this project for Electrical Principle 2 conducted to solve single-phase 3-wire with method that learned from the lecture. This task to find out the answer of each method is the same or not with the final result of answer obtained. So, to reinforce again, the simulation of this circuit must be built to produce a final answer that is the same as the answer in the calculation. Okay, for next slide, I will pass to others member to present it.
So we go through for the calculation. Okay, the question is a regular household system of a single phase 3-wire circuit allows the operation of both 120 volt and 240 volt 60 Hz appliance. So we conduct the mesh analysis for this circuit. We apply the 3 loops of KVL for IS, IY and IZ. For the KVL, we got IS, IY, IZ for the 3 equation. So we just solve the 3 equation just by the calculator. So we get answer of IS is 20 ampere, IY 17.09 minus J 5.142 ampere, and IZ is 8 ampere. Thus, we just calculate, we get answer of I1 is 20 ampere, I2 is 17.85 angle of 163.26 degree of ampere, and IN is 5.907 angle of negative 119.5 degree of ampere. So we go through for the total complex power supply. So we use formula of total complex power supply is 1 per 2 multiply for 120 IS. So we get answer of S1 is 1200, and go through for the S2 with formula is 1 per 2 multiplied by 120 IY, and we got answer of S2 is 1025.5 plus J 308.5, and just sum both the S1 and S2, we got answer of 2225.5 plus J 308.5 VA. So the overall power factor of the circuit is you use formula of P per S. So 2225.5 divided by 2246.5, we got answer of power factor is 0.9905, which is lagging.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat Zafri bin Fazli. I'm going to explain about simulation, equivalent voltage for our project. So, we use Proteus software as our simulate program to generate and simulate the circuit. So, we continue to the step. Pick all the components needed as the figure 11.96. All we need is 2 resource, 120 volt, 2 resistor 10 ohms for lamps and refrigerator, 1 resistor 30 ohms for kitchen lamp, and 1 inductor 15 mAh. Connect all the components given as the figure 11.96. Make sure all the components are not in error or cannot be detected. Put an indicator of probe at I1, IN, and I2 to find the current flow. Start the simulation and find the result. So for this circuit, we put probe here, I1 and IN, and I2 here to find the current flow. So for result and finding, we can conclude that the value I1, IN, and I2 are in the same value as from calculation and the simulation. We apply for the simulation and successfully get the same result as calculation. For the calculation, we use mesh analysis, where mesh analysis is a method that we use to solve planar circuit for the currents at any place in the electrical circuit. We also apply the KVL on our circuit for each loop, which are IX, IY, and IZ. Next, we find the total complex power supply and power factor as the question asks. For the simulation, we use Proteus software, where the Proteus Design Suite is a proprietary software tool suite and used primarily for electronic design automation. We connect all the components and find the current I1, IN, and I2. From the result, I1 equal to 20 ampere, I2 equals to 17.85 angle 163.26 ampere, IN 5.907 angle negative 1119.5 ampere, and the total complex power supply 222 5.5 plus J 308.5 V ampere, and the power factor we got the 0.9905, which is the lagging. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Martin. My part is calculation and future improve. So we can conclude that every method in this electrical principle that we learn in electrical principle 2 can obtain the same result if the calculation is solved correctly. For making sure, we should conduct the simulation for check if the answer is true or not. So, circuit analysis is finding the current on every element on circuit being analyzed. This chapter 11 AC power analysis has changed the portfolio of circuit solving technique by introducing new circuit method analysis. The method covered here in this chapter 11 is include power factor, power average, Thevenin method, sinusoid method, mesh method, and nodal method. It's allowed solving every circuit. For future improvement on this circuit, we can increase the value of resource to gain more current flow for this circuit. Then decrease the value component to get a suitable power factor. All this can be used to find suitable equipment such as washing machine, air conditioner, and refrigerator. The good power factor can cause low electric cost and our life more comfortable. Thank you.